Okay guys, check out this 2019 Pete 389 flat top. Put some old school hot rod action in this truck. It's pretty cool. My buddy Keith Couch from Greeley did some of the extra stuff on this one here. This one is Desert Turquoise. It is this thing, just as you move in the light, just to see how the sun comes off of it, is pretty awesome. But what he did was he put old school headlights on this truck with the LEDs coming down the side. So it's old school and new school that come together. And you put the amber bullet lights on the top, a couple extra up there with the drop visor. This one is running a 565 Cummins, 1850 torque. Just love that color. This is probably one of the neatest colors. Very well could be my favorite. Omaha orange was my last favorite. This one here is my new favorite. 565 Cummins, 1850 torque. Davco fuel filter. Of course, you have your jumper terminals and your remote lube for your clutch linkage. Disc brakes. See here, I'm going to show you on the other side. I wish it were dark. I'm going to start, time change is coming soon, so I'm going to start doing some of these after dark, but you can see all the extra lighting. Polished air tank, steps, polished def cover, Kissling battery disconnect. With the old school oval lights with the sealed wiring in the back. 100-gallon tank on this side. Low jock quarter fenders. Peterbilt oval wheels. Always my favorite. Holland F35 fifth wheel with the low leaf air suspension. It's 40,000 pound rears. As I said before, I believe this one's a 280 wheelbase, but we'll double check on that. So they did logger style. Radio antenna and center mounted CB antenna on the back of the sleeper. So you can see here. Now that we're on the shady side of the truck, you can see the lighting just a little bit better. Put the chrome panels on here. The other panels are under the bunk. And we even put them up in the air cleaner. How about that, guys? Pretty cool truck. This truck is running 22.5 rubber. Forgot to mention that a little bit earlier. You can see here's your stock panels. The premium sound system. This one is a platinum interior, Arctic gray, rosewood insets. This one is full gauges all the way. This truck is sold, but I wanted to get some video on it. It does have the premium seating. And just give you a quick peek in here. S-bar heater. No fridge in this truck, but that's something that can be added, of course. Well, there you go, guys. There's a nice view out the window with that drop visor. Again, my name is JAW. Rush Truck Centers. This is my YouTube channel, Peterbilt SoCo. If you like these videos, click on the orange button in the bottom right-hand corner. I'd love to hear from you. Let us know what your favorite color is. If you need to call me direct, my number is 970-518-5520. Thanks for watching.